If you really want to know how to make this amazing onion juice to keep down your weight, flush tummy fat, and to help the bedroom moments, stay here. Welcome back, guys. Today we will be doing onion juice to burn belly fat. I will guide you along on how you can use onion juice to burn belly fat, and as a matter of fact, onion juice will also increase your momentum in the bedroom, on bed, while the kids are sleeping. You know what I'm talking about. So today I will share with you how you can do those two things: burn fat and increase your momentum in the bedroom. So let's dive down into doing this video. We only need two ingredients. The first thing we need is onions. The red or the purple onion contains more of the iodine and flavonoids, so you want to consider using this color of onions when you're trying to lose weight and to increase your momentum in the bedroom. They are stronger than any other kind of onions. So you have onions here, and then what you want to do is to cut up the onions. You have choices. You can blend. You can use a grater to grate the onions to take off the juice, or you can use a juicer. Today I'll be using the juicer to make this juice. So you want to cut up the onions to the size that is going to be able to fit in the juicer. The next thing we need is ginger. I will not be using all this ginger, but here, whatever I have here is enough. But I just want to extract the juice from the entire ginger, and then I'll use the quantity that I want. But however, let's cut it up first of all. So wash up your ginger. Make sure your ginger is organic. Organic is always stronger than any other thing. Even if you're buying regular fruits and vegetables, if you can afford it, go for organic. Organic is very expensive in this part of the world, so it depends also on your family size. If you can afford organic, use organic all the time. And I will be juicing two of them separately. So after juicing your two juice, this is onions and this is ginger. You need 1 tablespoon of ginger juice in here. Again, it's entirely up to you. If you like ginger a lot, if you're a fan of ginger, you can make it 2 tablespoons. Mix it all together, and your juice is ready. Your onion juice. Drink your onion juice on empty stomach in the morning. If you think that the smell is very strong for you, you can choose to drink this only at night, but make sure you drink this 4 hours after you have eaten your supper. So you eat supper around 6 o'clock and you drink this around 10 p.m. before you go to bed, so that it will give you the utmost best result of flat stomach, and also to increase your momentum in your bedroom. You and your spouse can drink this together. So thank you, guys. Remember, one more time, if you are not subscribed, smash that red button and click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload the video. Thank you so much. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Can you tell I have been crying? Yes, I'll be posting another video about why I'm crying. So guys, stay tuned and don't forget to click that red button and notification bell. Bye.